SQL Server Integration Services packages are commonly used for creating data pipelines and doing ETL work. Let's see how we can run SSIS packages. We use SQL Server data tools for creating SSIS packages. Let's see how we run SSIS packages in SQL Server data tools first. This is the main screen of SQL Server data tools. There are two ways to run SSIS packages in SQL Server data tools. We can go to top menu, debug, then start debugging. That will run an SSIS package. Or we can right-click on a package, then select Execute Package on the pop-up menu. This will also run an SSIS package. Once the package is complete, we can click on the button bar to go back to the design mode, or we can go to the top menu, debug, then select Stop Debugging to go back to the design mode. In summary, in SQL Server data tools, we can go to top menu, debug, start debugging to run an SSIS package, or we can right-click on a package, then select Execute Package on the pop-up menu. We can also use F5 key to run an SSIS package. Once the package is complete, we can go to the top menu, debug, then select Stop Debugging to go back to the design mode. We can also use both Shift and 5 keys to go back to the design mode. Next, we will talk about how we can run SSIS packages as SQL Server agent jobs. Before we do that, we want to create an SSIS catalog on the SQL Server we want to deploy our packages to. In SQL Server Management Studio, right-click on Integration Services Catalog. On the pop-up menu, select Create Catalog. On the catalog creation screen, we have to enable CLR integration. We can keep the default name for the catalog and provide a password. Click on OK. Go to the SSMS. We can see the catalog we just created under Integration Services Catalogs. Again, the default name is SSISDB. Now, let's create a new folder to better organize our packages. Right-click on the new catalog, select Create Folder on the pop-up menu. On the folder creation screen, give the folder a name. Click on OK. We can see the new folder is under the newly created catalog in SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, we are ready to deploy our packages from SQL Server Data Tools to the SQL Server. There are two ways to deploy a project and packages contained in the project from within the SQL Server Data Tools. We can right-click on a project, then select Deploy on the pop-up menu. Or we can go to the top menu, Project, then select Deploy on the pop-up menu. This will bring up the deployment wizard. On this screen, we want to select the server and the catalog we want to deploy our project and SSIS packages to. Use the Browse options. Then click on OK. The server and catalog are selected. Do a quick review, then click on Deploy. The project and SSIS packages contained in the project have been deployed. We can go to SSMS, then we can see the project and the packages under SQL Server Integration Services catalogs. Now, let's create a new job to run a package. Right-click on Jobs under SQL Server Agent. On the pop-up menu, we want to select New Job. Give the new job a name. And we need to create a new step for the job. Click on New. This is the new job step details. Give the step a name. The type of this step is SQL Server Integration Services Package. Find the server, the catalog, and the package. Click on OK. The new step has been created. Click on OK. Now, the new job has been created and it appears in SQL Server Management Studio under SQL Server Agent. Right-click on the new job, select Start Job on the pop-up menu. The job has run and is now complete. We can also use DTEXEC. This is a tool we can use with the operating system scheduler, so we can run an SSIS package from the operating system. This is the end of our demo.